Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I'm going to explain you how can we print it out a value together with a strings value. I mean, it doesn't make sense now, but this is very helpful when we want to if you want to print out some value together with strings or strings value. So I will show you that the way we can do that, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm back. In the last time I show you this code, how this work. If you want to watch those video, you can watch in my playlist. But today I will show you how can we print out value with strings. Let me show you why I mean that. Okay, let's say we have L value, and then maybe for this time let's say it is high, and then if you want to print it out, we can just print, and then we can just L and print it out. If you're not familiar with this code, I make a video about this specific topic. You can go find the playlist, or you can start with the first one, and then as you watch more my playlist video, you can understand every single code I'm writing. So let's run this one. Yes, as expected, it printed out high because L have high text here. But it does work if we say 7. Yes, let's see. Oh, it's printed out. That's awesome. Okay, it does print it out if you say 7. Yes, it is. Okay. One thing here, I am also learn something here. I don't know, but we can print it out 7 automatically, like this one. This is also new thing for me. Maybe also you can just take this knowledge. Okay, I just delete those things, and then let's say we want to print it out. Let's say we want to say hi, and then some person name here. How can we do that? We can just say let's say my name is I use my name for this purpose. Let's say Thaddeus. We can just print it out like this one, and yes, it printed out Thaddeus here. Hi Thaddeus. But if you want to work with maybe if we want to change the name in any time, we have to come here and change it, but we don't want that, right? So let's just say L equal to Thaddeus, and then if we do that, and if we you see, we have to separate this with a single quotation mark, and then if we say L, does this going to print it out? Let's see. You see, it is, we have error here. we forgot to put it doesn't work like this. Okay, if you try it and if you confused or if you upset with how can we fix it out, this thing doesn't work, right? We can just do comma and maybe okay, this is not L, this is capital L, so not small letter L. Okay, here it printed out here. We see hi Thaddeus. We can do like this, but what if you want to add period? As I put another comma here, let's test it out. Does that work? Yep. But I don't know about you, but it have space every single time after you say hi, and then it will have this is mine. Let's clear first this terminal. You can just write clear and you will clear the terminal. If I run this one, you see this is weird. Hi Thaddeus and then space and period. It is not usual for human to understand. If some people see this, not considered like a normal thing, so we can use comma, but it will make a space. So this is not a good way, but to just analyze some data, maybe it is good. So let me show you other way to print out value together with strings value. We can just do like this. We can just dot format and then we can just specify what we want to add. Let's say L. I don't know if this work. Let's say we have to have space here. Okay, doesn't work. So you can search this one, but let me show you the other way we can do that. We can first type F, and then after we do that, we can specify the value we want to print it out here, and then if we run this one, you see it's printed out the strings and the value together. We can do that, and this is the efficient one compared to the other one. And you can use this one first, put F and then the strings, and then in the middle to specify the value we have to separate the value by bracket, and that's how we can print out strings with a value. And let me recap for you again. To print it out, first we have to say F, then after that we have to create a quotation mark, and then whatever we want to add in the strings part, so let's say whatever, and then after that we have to use this bracket, and then in the middle of this bracket we want to specify the value. For this reason it is L, and then we can add whatever, how much we want to add. L, you got the idea. We can add more times. So, and then after we do that, we can just put other strings also. We can do that. And but if character is not here, it doesn't work. You have to write the if character before you write the quotation mark. So if I run this one, it will print it out 2 times the value, and then this random string is also. Let's clean this terminal first. Let's see that. It's here, you see, it printed out 2 times. We can just use, if you want to use, we can use numbers also. And here it printed out 2 numbers, and that's how it works. And I'll see you guys in the other video. Goodbye.